What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys enjoy having a great day today. So today I found some old footage, like I told you last time in the last vlog. This is gonna be a little harder to edit, but whatever. Content. I think I'm gonna. No, I'll save it for the next video. It might come up a few minutes after this video. So, or maybe before, who knows. But it's gonna be it's gonna be anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this old video from my original channel. Boop. Boop. To the intro. Ah! Oh, it didn't work. Kill the intro! Hey, I'm not kidding. We're at Hugh Ramsey Park in Harlingen. Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. And we're gonna walk the trail. Hopefully I get my bike when we move to a new house. Oh shoot, I told you. Whoa, hint spoilers. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Did mom say good?
Yeah. Yeah, mama said they're good.
Hannah, you vlog like this. Not like no, vlog. Turn it over, stop the video.
Yeah.
Can you stop it?
Yeah, I see.
Okay. Like that.
And she does it flip cam style.
Alright.
Yep.
We're good.
Alright,
I'll keep you guys documented. We only have 47% battery and I don't want to waste it all. See you guys.
Yeah, it is. If you get in it, you're gonna sink into it, and you can't get
okay, dog. We don't want to hear smart stuff while we're on this trail. Okay, we're not in school. We don't want to learn. I dare you to touch the algae. So, no, touch the algae.
Oh, no. Algae.
Touch it.
No.
Touch it.
Eat it.
Touch it.
No. Eat it.
Pussy.
I'm eating sugar cane. Well, second. Yeah.
Dang. A, M, or P? Border, because there's no wall yet. No, I'm kidding. That's the sewer line. Everyone know where sewer lines go through? Boom. So, actually, under the streets. See? We got one for the pee, one for the poop. No. Get it? Because we're in Harlingen. There's a cardinal. That's weird. Whatever. We're on a Harlingen cardinal.
It was the red bird?
Yeah, we found a cardinal. The Harlingen cardinal. Hannah, don't cuss. Whoa, I live in there. No kidding. It's pretty nice, bro. Like. I'm bored. This is the worst park ever. No, where's the swing set? Where's the slides, bro? Where's that old wooden swing set that I used to swing on? No, I'm kidding. Bro. Bunnies like to eat poop. I want to taste that. Oh, is that a conejo? Well, there it is. Whoop, there it is. What up? It's not a dog, stupid.
It's a wild bunny.
It's a wild dog. Those dogs are wild, bro.
It's a dingo. What is a dingo?
This shirt, bro.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Oh, bunnies. Whoa, you see this, guys? This is... You see this? This is called nature. You see this, guys? This is called nature. This is called nature, bro. Maybe you should go out and explore nature. I should too, actually. I honestly should too. Honestly, I feel safe here. No, I'm kidding. Fart. No, okay.
12 seconds later.
Bro, what the hell is that?
The beehive! The beehive!
No! Oh, there's bees. Ah! No, it's a beehive. No!
It's white, which means it's a killer bee.
A killer bee. No, yeah, that makes me feel a lot better.
It's just a killer bee beehive.
Just shut up.
Kids, you can die from killer bees.
No, what is it called? Killer bees?
Don't you know that make you kill you?
Oh, you're stupid then.
What's that?
You know you're a real YouTuber when you censor yourself. What the what?
What? What the flip is going on?
Oh, shut up, Danny.
You guys watch Jake Paul's Disney channel? It's every day, bro.
Shut up, Danny. No one cares, okay? It's my YouTube channel, not his.
Here we go.
Shut up, Danny.
Here we go.
No. Here we not go. Civilization. No, wait. That's not right. Civilization. I don't know my butt.
Yo me acordé de la canción esa. Se la mandó Jorgeta, los cubanos.
Jorgeta, güey. ¿Qué son Jorgeta, ma?
Un Jorgete de los
Oh. The more you know. Cue that in. Future Richie, you just edit that in. Right now. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Bird.
Es una pinche garra que está ahí.
Oh.
Esta era otra bird.
You ruined my dream. Me mataron todo. No, hombre, güey. No, hombre. Oh, the snake! Ah! Ah. Woo! Oh. She goes to show that, you know. And we just studied about this too in school and science. There's trash everywhere, bro. Look. There's like 2 beer bottles there. Subway. Hill Country for HEB. Bud Light. Whataburger. It's bad, bro. Shepherd here. Hey, buddy.
It's so cute. We're not gonna take a look.
Well, the most popular shepherd is the brown.
Yeah, the ones they use for canines.
I'm sorry?
The ones they use for canines.
I mostly see those around. Hello, little
And
bee.
then they have a black. They have a black shepherd. Yeah.
It's okay, buddy.
Hey, easy. What's your problem? This is my neighbor's dog, and they're gone for 2 weeks, so I've inherited them for.
Oh.
Al pavo que te puede morder, él no tiene confianza.
Que es un niño.
Sí.
Está nervioso.
Yo quiero un perro de eso, ma.
Qué hermoso.
Have a good evening.
You too.
Okay. Thank you.
Power lines, look, power lines to go to electrocute ourselves. And this idiot says, oh, good.
Richie, I hear coyotes yelling, like crying over there. Do you hear it? Howling.
Let's get close.
Richie, please, I can't run.
Mamá, párase, porque Dani no puede. No puede correr, le duele. Mamá, ¿viste eso, ma? El coyote. Sí, Tía, mira, Cayó caca de pájaro y me te pegó. Ah, no. Oh, look, doggies.
Yeah. Oh, esas salacas.
I forgot how to transition. I just realized that. Alright, we're gonna see the little doggies. I don't even want to know. This is the most I've ever walked. Ever. In my life. Ever. Praising the hill, I thought I walked a lot. Oh, that vlogs I couldn't upload it because audio. That's all you heard. So I was right in front of 24 speakers. So yeah, we just head on straight. There's nowhere else to turn. We just go straight, and we are home to the truck. And yeah, yo, if I go down this trail, it's bye-bye forever because the map doesn't show it. Charles Ira Manning Memorial Garden. I'm using Google Maps with location. Bird feeders, bro. Bird feeders. We got apple, oranges, bro. Eating it. Mosquitoes have been drinking out of it. Oh no, it's not a trail.
So. Crap, it's getting darker. I should probably keep moving.
Yeah, it's getting kind of dark. Hannah, look at this. They're probably worried for us, but it's fine. Is that little toilet holes for the inside toilets? Let's keep going.
Crap, we should probably keep going. It's getting dark.
Ow, rocks! Oh, one's stuck in my nail.
Oh crap, it's getting darker.
Oh shoot, la bruja. No, I'm kidding.
We should probably keep going.
We're over here! Hey! I'm gonna keep walking.
Yep.
Storm breakthrough.
Yeah.
Hannah,
What?
should we go call your mom and my mom just to get back home? Oh, they all regrouped and everything.
Yeah.
We're gonna head to the that's deep.
Dude, I saw
Whoa, no kidding.
saw a grasshopper.
Okay, let's just keep walking. Ma! Hey!
Yeah!
Hannah. They're not having it. It's just like nature, bro.
There's
Hannah.
tons of creepy crawlies everywhere, man. I hate
What's
them.
up, Hannah Potato?
Bitch, don't ever call me Hannah Potato.
And don't ever cuss. I'm biting to the bone. Yo, is it blocked? No.
Oh my god.
Yo, it's
fucking safe! Yeah!
yeah!
Yes!
Ah, rocks!
Shit.
Hummingbird trail. Look at this.
Hummingbird trail? Oh, I want to see hummingbird!
Right over here.
Is she wait?
Hannah, no, I want to go to the truck. There's the truck. Hannah, I found the truck.
Oh, I should probably wait the others.
Go call them. Tell them we're at the truck. I thought we were far, bro. I can still hear them. Yo, my feet hurt. I'm glad I'm alive, bro. I'm gonna stop vlogging. Soak that in. Come on, just like Oh, you gotta love that, right? Dang. Get back to the table where everything is still there. Hopefully, surprisingly, nothing got stolen. I'm gonna get a drink. Dang, that was something cool, bro. What a fun adventure. Sand. Looks like I'm at the beach, bro. I gotta go to the beach soon. Like, next week soon, bro. Yes. We officially made it. Here for some drinks. On a twist. A flower. Yo, that was fun. I've never hiked that much ever. I've never hiked in my life. I gotta get new sandals though. For these, they're just worn out and they hurt. I can feel every single rock. But yeah, I got a vlog for today or tomorrow. But yeah, tomorrow. Because today there's no vlog. You want them? Let's go wet. Hey, look how dark it is now. I like how it looks 60p, but it's not. You know what, this vlog? One of these days, when I get my laptop back, my Windows laptop, not my Apple computer, but my Windows laptop, I'm gonna convert this to 60p. When you get to see it. Alright, guys, that's all the time I have for today, but we'll see you when I see you. We'll try to vlog tomorrow. Peace. That's it for this video that I found. I hope you guys like it. Better. No, but if the quality's low, because I didn't have enough space on the phone. But if it's a 720, it means I had enough. So we'll see what I can do. But I hope you guys hope you guys did it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, cause you know I talk too much. Come put your lips on mine and shut me up. We can blame it all on human nature. Stay cool, it's just a kiss, so why you gotta be so talkative?